In this video, you will learn about all features and functionalities of Instock notification application. Let's start with general settings. From this tab, you can manage all customized settings for Instock app. See minimum inventory before sending email. Set a minimum stock level. When stock drops up to this, a notification button appears on the front end, and this will allow customers to subscribe using this app. Now, exclude product feature. You need to write product IDs separated by comma here. Instock app will not display button in these product cards or product detail pages. You can find product IDs in 3 ways explained here. Method 1. From your store frontend's page source. Method 2. From your store's admin product grid. Method 3. From your store's product edit. Next, notification settings. You can also toggle subscription button showing on pre-order products. Set the number of times you want to send emails to customers. In Customer Notification tab, you can check email sent count and proceed further. It applies only for sending emails using the manual click button Send Back Instock Emails in the top right header. Now, set a time for how long you want to proceed your notifications. After that, notifications will be deleted automatically. Check for email template settings. 3 types of email templates can be customized using this app, including subscription email to admin, subscription email to customer, back in stock email to customer or admin. You can enable or disable any of them as per your requirement. You can also customize these email templates and set your own design for emails. You can learn about this customization later in this video. Now, check your email settings. You need to enable custom SMTP to send emails using this app. Set proper credentials here. You can also send a test email to check. If you are facing any issue or need help, see the instructions given in this modal. Now, we will see next tab. Notify form. Here, you can customize front-end view. Form labels. See, all labels are customized here. Button text from product detail page. Modal header text. Modal body note. And so on. Now, thank you and validation messages text after form submit. Look at this. Various customizable colors. You can see preview of all changes here. Let's change subscription button color. You can also change on hover color for this button. Now, let's see this black colored button in front end. And it is here. By clicking this button, you can see all text displayed here. And already shown in this video, you can change any of this text using this app. Now, let's see about email template customization. Here, you can customize all 3 email templates HTML. First, subscription email to admin. C. Subject. Email body. Here is the text which will sent by default using Instock app. You can use any of these tokens and change the email body. You can directly copy and paste the HTML also. Using the HTML editor, you can preview the email body immediately. Please save template after changes. Now, let's see subscription email to customer template. See, the same like admin template. Product thumbnail. Product name. And many other tokens used. You can also customize template by more available tokens. See the list here. Let's see back in stock email to customer template. You can also use tokens in subject. There is an option to send this back in stock email to admin for each customer. See, email body text here. You can send a limited quantity message to your customers. This is default message, you can change it. Please put a if condition to validate limited quantity message existence in your store. See, available tokens here. And an explanation about the limited quantity message. Let's see a remaining email template. Unsubscribe page. Here is the customization for that email template HTML. When your customers take a subscription for back in stock emails, then they can also unsubscribe from this subscription. Check default email template has a link for unsubscribe from these emails. When customers click on this link, we will receive the unsubscribe email using this template. Same like other email templates, there is also a HTML editor for changes. Save the changes from here when you are done. This is all about Instock app features and functionalities. Thank you for watching.